you want to get that beautiful glass skin, you need to get this product. Polydeoxyribonucleotide, known as PDRN. I've got the skincare from Mixsoon. Let's give it a try. Love Korean skincare products. Literally best in terms of skincare. Mixsoon launched this new skincare called PDRN choline peptide. This is so amazing, guys. It glides onto the skin so beautifully. It gives that beautiful radiant skin. Also tackling fine lines and wrinkles, giving your skin plump and fighting inflammation on your skin. My skin loves this product. It's gel consistence, but it gives a very beautiful radiant glass look skin. This is going to help to tackle dryness. It's going to make your skin plump, youthful, beautiful, especially if you got fine lines and wrinkles. PDRN is generated from a salmon DNA, and it's one of the best skincare right now. Raving about Korean skincare is the ish. If you want to get that beautiful glass skin, you need to get your hands on this. If you have any fine lines, wrinkles around the eye, and you want to plump your eye, you want to give your eye that boost, you know, increasing the collagen around the eye area, you need to get this beautiful eye cream. It melts into the skin so beautifully. For a limited time only, you can get this bundle on the spring sales. So if you want to grab yours, go ahead, add this PDRN collagen skincare, best Korean skincare products to your cart, and go and check out. Hydrate your skin, even out your skin tone, get rid of any discoloration that you may have, fine lines and wrinkles, inflammations, all that. It's just going to plump your skin and make your skin look radiant and beautiful. So make sure you click on the yellow basket and get this bundle now. If you're looking to glow your skin this summer, you need this omega-3 turmeric body glow oil. Guys, this oil is incredible. Pure turmeric lightning, and it gives you 48 hours of glow. Clarifying body oil, use 7 days glowing skin. Oh my god, you get 200 ml. It's going for £4.40. This oil will even out your skin tone. It will give you amazing glow. It hydrates your skin, and it's going to give you amazing shine. This is the best selling oil right now on the TikTok shop. So if you have to grab yours, make sure you get more than one. I'm going to link it. Make sure you grab yours now. Why these oils are not viral on the TikTok shop? I don't get it. Why these glowing oils are not viral on TikTok shop? This oil right here, you get koji, you get turmeric. These oils are so amazing, guys. It gives a glow. It hydrates, it rejuvenates the skin, it repairs the skin, it helps to dry skin, flaky. If you have to run to get this oil, it's going, one is £4.20. I had to grab as many because I know this oil is gonna get sold out. Especially summer is coming, everybody's gonna be looking to glow their skin. Honestly, you guys need to run as far as you can and grab as many as you can, because once it gets sold out, you might not get it again. So grab it. It's a very good oil. This is how it is. It's so luxurious, guys. Honestly, it gives a beautiful radiance to the skin. I'm telling you, the way this cream, and it smells really nice as well. You have to get yours. Make sure you grab it now. And the good thing is you can even use it on your face as well. This is it. It's so beautiful. Look at that glow, guys. Look at that glow. Look at that shine. I'm obsessed. But yeah, I'm gonna link it in the yellow basket. If you are interested, make sure you grab yours now. If you're a big fan of Nivea skincare products, you're gonna love this bundle. It's currently going for £11 on the spring sale. So if you are into Nivea skincare products and you're looking for a good essential daily skincare product, then this highly recommended. You're getting a facial wash, you're getting a toner, you're getting a night cream, you're also getting a day cream, okay, and you're getting a cleanser as well. I'm highly going to recommend. Make sure you click on the yellow basket and get yours now. Dr. Melaxin Volume Eye Patch and the Smooth Core Stick. If you have a tired eye, you got puffy eye, and you want something to give your eye that boost, that glow, this got calcium and it's got collagen that is going to rejuvenate your under eye. It's going to help with the puffiness, the discoloration. These patches are juicy, they're jam packed with nutrients, and also it's gonna help to get rid of the puffiness that you may have. I have to get another one because the goodness in this is just so amazing. And for limited time only, you can get this bundle for £32 with a voucher. Guys, honestly, you cannot afford to miss this. I love putting it on. Oh my god, this feels so amazing. This is gonna really rejuvenate under your eye, get rid of the puffiness, the dark circles that you may have. Everybody's raving about these products. The great thing about this smooth multi-purpose caustic, you can just use this to add a little bit of glow to your face. You know, the days that you don't want to wear makeup, you can just swear this onto your face. It's gonna give you a glow, beautiful, radiant skin. This is the best product you can get. Korean skincare are literally the best in the game. So if you want to grab yours, I'm gonna link it. Make sure you get yours right now with the vouchers. The Alba UV Essence Waterfall protects your skin from the UV rays whilst moisturizing and revitalizing with a light formula. It's a tone up which has a pink correcting serum to it. Contain SPF 50. This is going to help to protect your skin from the sun and the UVA and UVB. If you got holiday coming up this year, you're looking for a very high potent SPF. This SPF right here is highly recommend. I'm going to tag it in a Lush basket. It's currently on their spring deal, so make sure you grab yours and protect your skin from the sun. This SPF can also be used as a makeup primer, so 2-in-1. You can use as SPF as well as a primer, which is also going to correct your skin and tone up. Get yours now. So I got my hands on this amazing LED therapy face mask. I had to get this. Honestly, this is such amazing. I've already got one that I've previously used. This is my previous one, and honestly, this has been a game changer in terms of giving me a very radiant, beautiful glass skin and also repairing my skin. This has about 7 different lights: red, blue, green, turquoise, and so on. And each element of the lights have its own treatment. This is what it looks like. And within the box, you get a manual that tells you about how to use it and all the different lights, the functions. And you also get the USB charging cord. You get these stripes as well. You just turn on by pressing this, and the light comes on basically, and then you just press that if you want to change it, and so on. It's so amazing. Honestly, I highly recommend. I'm gonna tag it in your basket. For limited time only, you can get this for £17. It's currently on the spring sale, so this is the best time for you to grab yours. Make sure you get yours from the TikTok shop.